And hello, welcome. Just want to make a note. I think in my second video I didn't explain how to do this cross-section thing very well. Okay, just going straight to the point. If you look at your bash RC file, okay, your bash RC file will be here. The only thing you need to do is to export OpenMC cross sections. Okay, make sure you have this export over here, very important. Then you have your path to the cross section directory, and that's it. Export OpenMC cross sections equals to dot. Okay, close, and then what do you call that? Then you source bash RC. Okay, so once you do that, you don't need to open and close. Just type OpenMC, it will run. Okay, so that's all I have. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Okay, it's supposed to finish now. Alright, stop recording.